Hello guys, good morning guys. So guys, today is the 5th of February. It is my birthday, and guess what? I have my monthly appointment at the hospital. So on the morning of my birthday, I'm going to the hospital for my monthly appointment. I don't know if I'll be doing much today. I don't get so much excited about birthdays anymore like I used to, but I think I'm going to take you guys along to show you all what I did on my birthday. Well, let's see how it goes today. I'll see you at the hospital. I'm going to make a bit of a video of how my day went, blah blah blah. Nothing really exciting. Even at home, I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to be doing. If I'm going to cut a cake, I'm going to cook, I'm going to invite friends over. I still don't know yet, but let me just finish with my appointment at the hospital, then I'll know what to do. See you guys later.
Happy birthday to me. It's my birthday
Imagine my birthday at the hospital. While waiting for my turn, let me play with some Snapchat and videos. So guys, I'm done with my checkup. As usual, you're not allowed to take videos. Phones are not allowed in there. So going back home, like I told you guys, it's my birthday. Done with the appointment. So no plans for my birthday yet. Let's see how the day goes anyway. It's sunny but very cold. So guys, like I told you all, I was going to have a very quiet birthday, and that is exactly what I did. Ever since I returned from my hospital appointment in the morning, got home, ate lunch, which was some vegetable fried rice and crispy fried chicken. It was very tasty. I had cake. Yes, hubby got me a cake for my birthday. I forgot to film it. And after that, we had an afternoon nap. As you can see, my eyes are swollen. I just woke up not too long ago. Driving out to go have a coffee or get a pizza takeaway for dinner. I come back home. So that is basically how my birthday went. I told you I was going to have a quiet birthday, and that's what I just did. And George, say hello. Are you cold? Yes, it's cold this evening. I think it's about to rain anyway. So guys, I'll see you all. We're gonna do a takeout. Gonna get some for the night. What do I want to have? Beef steak for George. Me, I will have that my usual sandwich. Like I have with the bread. That I usually take with bread. Some donuts too.
Luciano, what do you want with the sandwich?
So we're having a takeout. That's how we're going.
You can have the chips.
Yeah, get something that has chips so that you can have it. Okay, better. So that's how my birthday night is ending. We're going to take a takeout and go home because it's about to rain. You can't sit out. Should I should sit and wait for our food, right? George?
You don't want us to eat here.
We're waiting. Should we eat? Should take it home? Let's take it home. It's about to rain. I want cozy. Or what do you think?
should have to cover them with the cake.
I will take it home. So let's wait for our food to be ready. And we'll go home. So that's basically how my birthday ended. Boring, right? So guys, we're back from outing. Like I said, we didn't sit at the eatery because it was about to rain, so we took takeaway back home to eat. And this is what I just got. This, should I call it sandwich? Are you guys seeing it? Okay. And some wings. So to end my video and my birthday celebration, I'm going to eat it Ashma style. Oh, stop! I'm doing a video. I'm going to eat it Ashma style. Stop it now! Sound eating without talking. Let's see how far I can go. I'm gonna start with the wings now. So hot and yummy. My husband is at the background. He's about to eat his own sandwich. It's yummy. Very, very yummy. I'm an Nigerian. I'm going to crack the bone. So let's start with the sandwich. Very big, right? I don't think I can finish it. Birthday behavior. I'm going to top it up with this lemon drink. So guys,